Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to make images move in Capcut PC. First, open Capcut, click the import button to add your desired image to the project. Drag and drop the image into the timeline. Now to make these images move, we are going to use keyframes. To add a keyframe, click on the image in the timeline. Look for the transform panel on the right side of the screen. Then hit the keyframe button at the point in the timeline where you want the movement to start. With your keyframe set, it's time to create some movement. Click and drag the image to where you want it to go. You can move it up, down, left, right, or even zoom in and out. As you adjust the position, Capcut will automatically create another keyframe to record the change. Once you have set all your keyframes and movements, hit play to preview your work. And that's it. You have just learned how to make images move in Capcut on your PC. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Tutorial Reverse channel for more videos.